Qigong routine to practice to really improve your health and strengthen your internal organs. So you can use your arms, your hand to hug your body. Swing your arm this way, cross, like that. And then you breathe out. In this video, we will have Qigong routine to practice to really improve your health and strengthen your internal organs. So we can start by warming up, okay? Move the body to the left and to the right. Your knees a little bit. Swing your body to the left, to the right. Breathe in. Out. In. Out. Relax the shoulders. Relax your lower back. And then you stretch your palms. Breathe in. Out. Look like you are swimming backwards, okay? In. Out. Then you put your two hands on the lower back, and then you can allow yourself to relax your lower back. Breathe in. Out. Do reverse. That's so wonderful. You can stand by one leg and then relax your hands and your knees, your toes, and then offer a smile to yourself. Breathe in. Out. Then do reverse. So wonderful to have the time to move your legs and your hands at the same time. Okay, another leg. Reverse. This morning the weather is so nice, very fresh and cool. That's so wonderful. Open your palms, breathe in deep, breathe out slow. Bring your mind back to the body. In the present moment, you may close your eyes and feel your 2 feet. Put your 2 palms in front of your lower abdomen. Feel grounded. With your lower abdomen rising when you breathe in. Lower abdomen is falling when you breathe out. And relax the whole body. Okay. The first movement we call the squats. Your 2 legs, and also you draw circles with your hands. Okay. 2 legs are parallel together, wider than your shoulders, okay? So you can draw circle from your lower abdomen, then breathe in, up, okay, stand up like that, and then you stretch your palm, breathe out, you draw the circle down and squat your 2 legs as low as you can, okay? So you can also walk out with your 2 legs. Breathe in, stand up and move up. Out. You breathe in naturally through your nose, okay? So you can circulate your blood and good for your internal organ. Breathe in up. Out. Imagine your breathing calm and you circulate your blood, also moving in and out. Okay, in. Out. Relax the whole body. Breathe in. Deep. Breathe out slow. You open your palms, draw a circle, and squash your 2 legs down. Okay? In. Your breathing needs the movement. Okay? Feel your two palms. Feel your two legs. In. Out. Let it go. Release all tension on your shoulders, on your two legs. In. Out. One more time. In. Out. That's so wonderful. Open your palms. Inhale deep. Exhale slow. Bring your mind back to the body. And allow yourself to rest, to calm your body and calm your mind. Feel your lower abdomen. Okay, so the next movement we call the squat your legs and hug in your body. Okay, so you can use your arms, your hand to hug your body. Okay, so steady two legs wider than your shoulders in that way. Breathe in, you open your palm this way, dip and out, scratch your legs down, and then offer a hug to yourself. Okay, left palm in the back of your right shoulder, and right palm is under your near your armpit. Okay, over here near your shoulder. So look like you hug yourself. Okay, smiling, and then breathe in, open your palm, stand up again, and then you change it another hand. Out, hug. Right now is right hand on the top of your right shoulders. Okay, and left palm under your right shoulder, right armpit, right here. Okay, in, inhale, exhale. So wonderful to offer a hug to yourself. In, out. When you hug, look like you are tapping to your body and circulate the blood for your shoulders and your armpits. Okay, in, out. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale. In, out. In, out. You can squash your legs. The lower will be nicer. Okay, in, out. In, out. In, out. Out. Depends on your health. Okay, you can squat your legs as low as you can, but no forcing to yourself. In, out. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Okay, in, out. That's so wonderful. You can shake your hands and your legs, and then you jump. Shake it off all anxieties and stress from your legs, from your hands, your shoulders. Okay, breathe in, out. Breathe in, out. That's so wonderful. Open your palms. Inhale deep. Exhale slow. Bring your mind back to the body.